listen to this.
Welcome to the space where tech meets design. From circuits to blueprints, the future's in line. If you're here for innovation, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe now, join this creative race. Build it up, break it down, watch it come alive. With every new project, we continue to strive. Tech and design, hand in hand, side by side. Subscribe to the vision, let's take this ride.
Let's take this ride. So if you think this was a real person and the real music, then you are wrong. This, all what you heard before, it's AI generated. And after this video you would never think the same on AI and on music. And you would think twice the next music what you listen on YouTube, because probably it has been generated by some application. This has been a crazy month. I have become an artist. I opened a second YouTube channel which is really close to monetize it, and I have out an album on Spotify, Apple Music and all the other platforms, and this without pressing any single chord on any kind of instrument. It's just nonsense. There are many platforms out there actually to generate your own music or your instrumental music. There is audio, there is booming, and my favorite which I have played around, and not just, is Suno. And let's deep dive into that topic, and in the end of this video I will show you how I have created my own personal AI algorithm to generate music.
So Suno is simple. You just enter in the web page, there is the home page, there is the create library, and what is actually interesting for me is the explore part, because with Suno they have generated new styles of music. So it sounds like that. It's something what it never existed before. So apart from that, then you can create your own music. So you can add lyrics, you can add style of music, you can add a title, and even by checking this one you can create your own instrumental. So for example, I really like the blues, but it could be a rhythmic rock or whatever. Let's see blues, and test title 1, and let's hit the create. So in the create section it will take a few seconds, but it won't show the full set of the music until it is fully generated, but we can listen a sample already. Oh, I see I mistyped it, but even like that it has generated blues, blue, yeah, blues. So the style was not really fitting, and it's again blues with test 1, and it's an instrumental music. So let's wait, and we have over. So that's good. I really enjoy it, and it's really high quality music. So it's mind blowing where the AI is at the moment with those stuffs. And if you want to add lyrics, we can hit surprise me. So let's see what kind of lyrics is he adding. I mean, not he. It's a machine, so it's an AI. So what kind of music is he adding? It's an AI. Still an AI, okay. Let's hit create. Okay. Still waiting on it. and we have our first samples available. So that's the lyrics, what it will sing.
Walking past the cereal aisle, lights flicker like it's all worthwhile. Shadows dancing on.
So as you hear, the sound, the voice could be improved, but the music, it's something phenomenal. So in the next song, what you listen to, just think twice, like maybe it's an AI generated music, could be easily happen. So yes. And as I told you, I have created my own algorithm to generate music, own in a manner like it's a Facebook research audio craft. But I'm using my own video card to generate music. And basically it's a GitHub project what you can reach. It's since a couple of months from last year it is here. Facebook made that model publicly available of AudioCraft, which contains the music gen part or model. And it's a pre-trained AI model what you can use to generate your music. And how does that works? It's actually you can use your Python script and other description, and we can say again blues. It takes some time to generate, so let's make a 10-second sample. So 10-second sample, and it's like I have added the looping to generate 30 of that, but I generate only one. And it says no module AudioCraft. Okay. Let's see. I will check it.
A few moments later.
Yeah, the problem where I have run the code under Linux, but let's see, we are still there. 10 seconds, music, description with blues. Let me save and let me run the code. And we have to run with Python 3 and fingers crossed. It does something. It says the start date and it starts to generate audio, and the duration is okay. That it is not the code what I'm looking, but it has generated, so it's there. Let me stop the algorithm because it would generate a ton of music. Let's see. Probably it will generate 100 in this code. And basically, if we are opening up the music itself, we should hear some blues type of kind of music AI, and in the output it looks like that the first generated music, oh, it's okay, it's a 10 seconds. It is not really blues, but it's something what we could listen actually. So that's about it. If you liked it, then hit the like, and if you don't like it, then also hit like. And if you think that the time and the effort what I have invested in this small project, it was worth a subscribe, then please subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Wish you a great day.